You know, a lot of people get into this business because they like houses. I hear that all the time. And you know, whenever you get into this business, there are people that have a mindset of they're just doing it to make extra money. There are people doing it because they want to make a lot of money. People are getting into it because they want to control their own time. And all of those things can really get you in trouble if you're not in it to actually grow a business. Whenever you are thinking about growing a business, you have to think business-minded in order to set yourself on a path to success. So, you know, whenever you are in this business for a long time, you get a lot of experience under your belt. I was in this business for about 20 years. I was with RE/MAX for 26 years. And I reached a plateau with RE/MAX where I just couldn't get over that plateau. I was doing around $20 million a year, and that's not a bad place to be. But whenever you want to take that and launch it to the next level, you have to be doing something different, right? Because if you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to keep getting what you're getting. And that's about the time I discovered coaching. So I started coaching with a very high-level coach. And the first year after my full coaching, my income increased from like $500,000 a year all the way up to $750,000 a year. The next year it was around $900,000, and after that it ranged between $1 and $1.2 million GCI every year. So getting on the right path by taking your business in a business way instead of just being a real estate agent and thinking about it like that actually puts you on a path to taking your business to the next level. If you always think being a real estate agent is just being a real estate agent and that's what you're happy with, that's great. However, a lot of people want to get into this business and get to the point to where you're not working 80 hours a week, right? Showing buyers and sellers and doing all your own marketing and all that kind of good stuff. Whenever you get up, you show up, which half of this business is just showing up. Whenever you get up, show up, you have a business plan, you plan your work and you work your plan. Those are your habits. If you have bad habits, you'll have mixed results. If you have good habits, you'll have good results. If you have great habits, you'll have great results. So whenever you build your business to the point to where you can actually walk away from it and it still runs without you, that's whenever you can truly call it a business. If you have to be involved in the day-to-day goings-on, and that's a choice that you make, whether you want to or not. But if you have to be there every single day in order to make sure every single thing gets taken care of, then it's not necessarily a business that will ever run itself until you actually take it to that next level. And taking it to that next level, to me, is whenever you get to the point to where you're working 40, 50, 60 hours a week, there comes a point where you actually want some time off, right? So the only way to get time off is to what I call buy back your time. How do you buy time? Buying time is finding someone else who you have the faith in to do an aspect of what you're doing. Someone who's going to run the business on a level of your expectation or greater.